Hello friends, how is everybody? As you guys know, I am very pregnant, 34 weeks and a few days, right? And it's time to experiment in the kitchen. Our counters are getting ripped up tomorrow because of our little kitchen facelift, and so we decided to celebrate by doing a big recipe tonight. It's actually very simple. We're gonna be making from the Earthy Canvas vegan cookbook, Fay Kazzi. I will tag her down in the notes. We are going to make some peanut butter and date energy balls. Don't those look absolutely amazing? I'm kind of craving them, and I think they are gonna be really good for like nursing, a nursing snack, or to take to the hospital. So we have a little tip for working with your little helpers is to pre-measure some of the ingredients, Clara. Stop trying to trade the spoons, okay? All right, so exciting book. Okay, let's get started. So what we did is we started with our peanut butter, and we already put that in. The lighting here is just interesting with the sun going down. We're gonna lose our light. So it said to put in, Amelia, you're gonna put the rolled, what are these? This is puffed rice. We got it from the store, and we got non-genetically modified. Yep, throw that in. And then Clara, you are going to put in the coconut oil. We get that from Costco. And that is also non-GMO. We try to get organic ingredients if we can. Ava, you're going to be putting in, keep going, Claire. These are actually chia seeds.
Oh, chia.
I think we get these from Costco as well. A nice big bag of organic chia seeds. And I already put the salt in there. So Ava, can you pour those in for Mama? Just pour it in. Nice. This is great. And then Amelia, you're gonna be getting our mashed dates. There's like 7 or 8. Now the trick to mashing, we buy, first of all, at Costco, we buy the organic, can you get a little bit more of that out, babe? Organic dried dates, and we love them. They're already pitted, and then the recipe calls for them to be mashed. And what I did is I used our nut grinder, and it was a little bit messy, and I had to kind of manipulate it, but it was better than hand mashing them. That worked out really well. So we'll put in those as well.
Did fruit flies get to them?
No, I didn't. I covered it on purpose. Yeah, it's fruit fly season here. Okay, and then you guys, the last step. Yeah, really get that out. Okay, we should stir that up, shouldn't we? We're each gonna take a turn. With just one of the spoons, so we don't get them all. Oh, how could we forget? This is some honey
and chocolate
too.
Chips and
So we're gonna get the honey out. Claire, can you help me scoop that honey out? And we'll get the, yeah, you hold it. And then it said to do the chocolate chips on top, and then we're gonna pour the toasted rolled oats because they've been in the oven. They're still warm. And the idea is, let me try pumpkin. Hold on to that. Actually might be better. Oh yeah, wow. How are we gonna mix that up? I don't know, this is our first time making this. Let's see if we can separate it a bit. How's the honey coming, Clara?
Good.
I can't wait to try these. And then we're gonna roll them in balls.
Yeah, but it's kind of hard making them.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I think it's a pretty simple recipe, very healthy. I mean, you've got dates. Their dates have fiber in them, and I think they have magnesium. So really healthy. Honey, careful, you're splattering the honey. Honey. All right. Okay, no, we're going to use the big spatula. Let's use the big spatula. Amelia, you want to take a turn?
Yes.
Mixing that? You have the big spatula, hun. And then once you get all your ingredients mixed up in there, mix it. Then the toasted rolled oats are supposed to kind of melt the chocolate chips. You're supposed to leave it for just a couple minutes. Is it your turn? Yeah, you'll get a turn. Okay, pass it to Ava next. Use. Oh, good. Look at this mixture. Look at that.
Can I
Sorry, love.
It smells good.
Does it smell? Ooh, well, peanut butter. You girls are in love with peanut butter. Every morning.
For breakfast, we eat oatmeal and peanut butter.
Yes. Ava, can you dump those chocolate chips? Now, the idea is to get vegan chocolate chips. We get ours at Costco, the Kirkland brand.
I like chocolate
Yeah,
chips.
can you pass it to her? It's her turn to stir. You like chocolate chips? We get this brand. It doesn't say it has milk in it.
Hold it for me. Yeah.
We're hoping it's vegan. We think it's vegan. So, but if you're ever in doubt, you can always look at your natural health food store for vegan chocolate chips. Okay, and then you girls hold the bowl for Ava. She'll get a turn stirring. And Mommy's gonna get the hot pan of rolled oats. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna get that out next.
Ava's turn.
And
Ava,
Mom's
you
gonna do
stir.
it because
Clara, can you hold the bowl because
this
it's
is very,
you-
very hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Ava, it's just splatter.
Ouch.
Ava.
It's hurting Mom. Oh boy. Ay, ay, ay. My fingers are burning. Okay, girls, watch out.
Put cold water on it.
No, this is actually supposed to warm the chocolate chips. Okay, stir that up. Stir it up. And then, this is optional, I believe, but we have shredded organic coconut. And you can put it on a plate. And then when you form the balls with your hands, then you can roll them in the coconut. Does that sound good? I'm excited about that. I think I would really like some of that.
Yummy.
This is yummy. Okay,
It
how's
smells like
it?
peanut butter.
Well, yeah. Can I try? Let me get this really, ooh, see how thick it gets?
Oh,
Now, girls, can you wash your hands really quickly? Did you wash your hands? No. Okay, quick, wash your hands. And then be back here. I'm gonna switch it out so you can make some balls with your hands.
I want to make balls.
You wanna make balls?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, you gotta wash your hands. I'll help you, okay? You have what?
Water.
Yeah. But did you wash it with soap?
Yeah.
Something tells me you did not sing happy birthday. Well,
Happy birthday.
you did wash
Happy
your
birthday
You're supposed to.
the washing machine.
That's how long you're supposed to wash your hands for.
Happy birthday to somebody.
To somebody, exactly. Okay, so
The fun part.
the fun part is to make. Let's get our
It's
hands
like
in there. Can
pink-
you girls just?
not like
You
peanut
you
butter.
can't yet. Okay, share the bowl though, and really scrunch it up. Okay, get it nice and melty. You're gonna wash your. I think this is gonna be super yummy.
It's already getting melty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can you form a ball yet?
I'm not sure. No.
Okay. Keep gooing it up with your hands. Okay.
Good.
Something tells me this will be your favorite
I want to do some.
recipe. Oh wow,
Okay.
that's good. I can taste the honey in it too.
Mm.
Okay, can you girls start making? Pull your hands out for a second. Let's
Mom,
see.
can you pull back my sleeves if you can?
Mm-hmm. Okay, don't fling it. Whatever you do. This was a
I'm
great
so
idea,
tiny.
wasn't it? Okay, you're flinging it. Careful. Okay, hold your hands up. Just freeze.
And make sure you don't get it on the counter. You didn't
Yeah.
know you can't. It's getting on the counter.
I don't know about this, girls.
Oh.
Okay, I
Yay.
think we can start to make a ball. No?
Yeah.
Look at this.
That sticks.
Sort of. If you can you make a ball?
No.
Okay, that's okay. This
Maybe
is
too melty.
This is fun. Okay, try and keep it in the bowl.
Maybe it's too melty.
Maybe
you kept the oats in too long.
So then you're supposed to coat it in coconut
Coconut.
and put it
Okay.
in the container.
Okay.
Not working?
This is good.
Yeah.
Or-
Okay, there you go.
Here
Get it in the
is
coconut. Dip it in the coconut.
like that. And then
Sure.
pick it up and then...
Roll
That
it.
doesn't look like a ball.
Not really, but that's...
Oh.
Careful. don't-
Coconut.
Did she scare you?
No.
Okay.
Mom?
So try this, you guys. Fay Kazzi and her new cookbook, The Earthy Canvas, with tons of yummy... Your arms are itchy. Good. Roll it in that coconut. We might have done something wrong because I don't think they're supposed to look like this. But this is all just an experiment. We're just trying this out.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. That actually looks pretty good. Yum. Good job. Put it in the bowl.
Mom,
You put.
can't reach
Oh, you can't.
And I can barely reach the coconut.
Can you get in there? Great job.
Okay, are you supposed
Yeah.
to get this on the counter?
Sort of. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. We
Thank
hope,
you for not watching.
Clara. We hope that you enjoy this recipe. Go find it in Fay Kazzi's, Ava, please don't bite that. And Fay Kazzi's newest book, The Earthy Canvas, vegan cookbook, 100 plus plant-based recipes that taste as good as they look. And she has done her own photography. It's a gorgeous book. And yeah, we hope you guys try it. Bye.
Bye.